Hey everybody, what's going on? Thanks for tuning in to another video of One Tool a Week Guy. If you're new to the channel, we take a look at tools every week. So if you love tools, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. What is it that we're going to be taking a look at this week? Well, this week we're going to be taking a look at this baby right here. Now this is going to be the Milwaukee 2012R or Rechargeable Magnetic Headlamp and Task Light. So let's go ahead and take a look at it all the way around. This is how you're going to be able to find it. Now, I was able to find it at Home Depot for $67.57, and at Amazon, I believe it was $59.99 or online. I don't think I was able to find this one on Amazon, just a heads up. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what we got. So here are going to be the items that it's going to come with. Let's go ahead and zoom into it and let's take a look at it. So of course, you're going to have the nice little instructions that it's going to come with. Next up, you're going to have a micro USB to USB charging cable. And I believe it's USB-C, I believe. And then, of course, you're going to have some hard hat clips. That way you could clip on the side of your strap or your head strap. And you're going to be able to clip onto your hard hat with them. So this is a nice little features. I believe all the headlamps from Milwaukee come with it. So let's take a look at this one. So of course this one's going to be the Task Light. I have other models right here that I've purchased previously, which as you could tell the sizing, this one's going to have the battery pack in the back, but these are just going to be a couple comparisons. So let's go ahead and slide this over there, and this one's going to be the main focus right here. Of course, the model 2012R, it's going to come with, you're going to have your nice little head strap that it's going to come with, and of course adjustable in the back, and it's going to be Milwaukee. And I will say Milwaukee's straps are pretty comfortable to wear and use, so that's a nice little plus to have on you. So just keep that in mind. On the side, you're going to be able to recharge it with the USB, which is going to have a nice little latch. Let me see if we can catch it on this camera. You're going to have this little latch, and on the top you're going to have your modes, and of course on the left the circle button is going to be your power button. Now as far as dimensions, the dimensions for this one's going to be 2 1/4 inch long, and then the actual width is going to be 1 1/4 wide, and then the actual thickness to this light is going to be about 1 inch thick. So just keep that in mind in case you want to reference some numbers. Now once we go ahead, you're going to go ahead and turn it on. This one's going to be the max. You can see all the lights that are going to be on, and this one's going to be 450 lumens. So it's going to be super bright, nice to have on you, and of course lightweight. Now those 450 lumens is going to last you only about 2.5 hours approximately. So just keep that in mind. Now you go ahead and you press the mode button, and you're going to see that the lights switch. Now you're only going to have one. This one I believe is going to be the spotlight. Now the spotlight is going to be 250 lumens bright, and it's going to last about 4 hours. Now if you click it again, you're going to have it at the lowest setting for the spotlight, and that's going to be 100 lumens, and it's going to last you 8 hours. You press the mode one more time, and now you're going to have it on the flood. The flood is going to be 250 lumens, and it's going to last you 4 hours. Or if you press it again, the actual flood is going to go down to 50 lumens, and it's going to last you 14 hours, which is very nice. And again, you press it again and all the lights are going to turn on, which is going to be the brightest mode. And then you just switch settings. You could see that they're just turning on and getting dimmer and just swapping out. So just turn that off for now. Now, the main reason that I picked this up was because this is going to be Milwaukee's. It's going to be water and dust resistant only. Now, keep in mind that as far as water resistant, just little trickling here and there. Now, if it falls underwater, technically that's not going to be water resistance. It's not going to be waterproof. So just keep that in mind. Now, it's going to have an impact rating of up to 6.5 feet or 2 meters. Now, the coolest part about this one is that it's going to be magnetic. The actual clip pops off, and you're going to have a magnet back here. Let me see if I can find something magnetic. I happen to have my Nipix pliers, so you're going to be able to stick it on there, and there you go. If you're on a panel working somewhere, you're going to be able to stick it right on there, and it's also like at a 45 degrees each side. So if you need it angling a certain area, let me see if we could show it. So right there, we're going to have it at the 45 angling, which if you need it another area, if you need it right above you, you could just set it on a level surface and it's going to be right above you. If you need it at the other 45 level, it's going to be set at that angle, and it's going to shine towards that angle, which is pretty nice. And I do love the feature that you could take it off. This is probably my favorite feature and why I picked it up. You can see that in the back it's going to have a magnet, so it's just a small little compact light that you could put it back in, and it's going to be magnetized, and it's just going to catch. It does adjust the head strap, but again guys, that's probably my favorite feature, that if you see, it just catches from the magnet. So very nice. It's gonna have a 2-year warranty. Now on Home Depot, like I said, you're gonna be able to find it for $67.57, and on Amazon you're gonna be able to find it for $59.99. I'll leave the links below. If I can't find it, the link won't be down below, but it's gonna be online for $59.99. As always guys, let me know what y'all think in the comments below, and thank you all for supporting one tool a week guys.